Hey guys, so today we are going to look at how to use list in SwiftUI. So we'll create a sample app called sample list, and let me expand the window so you guys can see clearly. And let me just remove this sample code hello world and make a list. So let's have like 3 text views inside the list, so we can see a list on the screen in the preview on the right. So this is how you create list out of 3 static views. So those are the 3 text views inside the list. And now let me create a model for our fruit. So we can have all these 3 fruits inside our model, and then we can iterate through our model to create the list in the SwiftUI. So we'll have name and identifier as the 2 fields in our fruit struct. And now let's create our data model called fruits, and we'll create our 3 fruits: apple, mango, and orange. And now we can get rid of the static views inside the list, and we can iterate through the fruits model in our list and get the fruit one by one and print its name, have its name in the text view inside the list. So we got an error saying it does not conform to identifier. So our fruit model needs to conform to identifier protocol. So let's confirm it to identifiable. We already have the ID, so it follows identifiable protocol. And now, as you can see, we got our fruit list without having the static text views. Now we are getting the fruits from the model. So if I remove one fruit, you can see the list updating. Now let's embed this list in a navigation view, so we can give our list a title and also make it editable. So for making it we'll make the list editable, and so that user can select multiple items from the list by going to the edit mode. So we'll have this multi-selection set of UUIDs that will pass to the list, and we will add a title to the navigation view and an edit button to enable the edit mode for the list view. We'll create a toolbar, and inside the toolbar we'll just put an edit button. Now if we resume our preview, you can see we got a title fruits and our list is there, and if we go to the edit mode, we can select multiple items from the list. Now let's create another structure that will be the that will be denoting our item category. So let's say this is a shopping list and we are buying multiple items, but we are grouping items in categories. So we have the item category with a name and ID, and in a item category we will have multiple items. So we'll create items array that will be the type of our fruit. So we'll keep calling it fruit, but it's an item now. So in our content view, we'll create item categories, and the first category will hold fruits. And those are the same fruit that we had earlier. And we will have another category named others. So this other category will have various items other than fruit, for example. Let's name our items item categories, because that's what they are. And we will use this item categories to iterate the items in the list. So we will create a list with the same selection set, multi-selection, and for each item categories we will again iterate through items inside each category. So we'll say for each item category, and we'll get the item, and then we will make a text view with the name of the item. So as you can see, all the items are listed, but what we want to have is we want to have sections inside the list so that we can denote different categories. So here, fruits and others. So we'll create a section with a header, and for the contents we will just have the iteration for all the items in the category, and the text we will have the category name. So as you can see, our preview updated with the categories listed as headers and the items inside them. Even now we can select multiple items from the list. Now let me show you how you can make this list look good. So we can have a style on the list called insert group list style, and that will make our list look like a form list, and you can still select multiple items. So I think this looks better than the previous one, so I kind of use this style a lot. Okay, that's been it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any queries, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.